How you doing, YouTube? This is Velez 1989, 1950. This is a deck that I ran this Sunday at Hobby League in Chicago. This deck was actually decided by me and one of my boys named RGM79 Pilot. It's one of my good friends from past times in Chicago. So go check him out. So this is the deck. It's basically the same deck, just I have a different tech. Start on. Rally, Gale, Cat, Caius, Cyberdragon, Monk, Scores, Sangan, and Dandelion. This card is my tech. I don't run guard, so I run Dandelion. And for some reason, this card just runs really good with me. I didn't top. I topped 10. I got 10th place out of top 16. But this card worked amazing with Transfer Tribute and Lightning Vortex. Then the, double Tomato, Trip Bellum, and double Kaiku. Double Raikou, my fault, double Raikou, and 2 Spies. See, so I do not run guards like he does. For spells, this is my spell lineup. Double Alert, Double Book, Lightning, Pile of Everest, 2 of them, Trune, MST, Heavy, Mind Control, Brain Control, My Body. Extra deck, trap cards, my fault. Double Bombers, Mirror Force, Call the Haunted, Solemn, Trapdushu, T2. Okay. For extra deck, I have an additional Caius, just in case, an additional book, double line Prisoner Mare, Soul Release, Return from a Different just in case, Threatening, 1 Juju, double Crow, double Kaiku, 1 Oppression, double Mirror of Oaths. Against Mirror Match or GBs or whoever the hell wants to, bust some shit out. Synchros. Got 1 Goyo, X-Saber, Colossal, Armor Master, Android, Black Rose, Gaia, Stardust, Red Dragon, double Arcanine, just because this card is really broke. Alright, so that's basically the deck. Comment, write, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think of it. I like it. It went pretty good. I lost to 2 good players. I lost to Augustine Herrera, which is a really good player. So don't forget to check out my boy RGM79 Pilot and sub to Yu-Gi-Oh Girl 2009, I believe it is. She actually has some good videos. She has pack openings and all that stuff. I'm going to try to put links in the sidebar. And check out iKibbles. Check out IQEXL. Because those are good friends of mine. And alright, YouTube. Thank you. Comment, write, subscribe.